beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I am introducing a new box, and the box is called as the Orchid Box. It is by Astitva Designers. So they have an Orchid Box for men and they have an Orchid Box for women. This is the Orchid Box for women and it is priced at rupees 399. You have to pay an additional shipping. I paid rupees 40 for shipping. So this is how the box looks. It's a very good sturdy box, a good quality cardboard box with their name written here and the logo, and I have received all my products within this. All of them were bubble wrapped. I have opened the bubble wrapping just to save on time. So let us look at all the products individually. I have also received this info note here. So the first product that I have received is Ayurvedic instant glow mask from Vedantika. As you all know, Vedantika is a very good Ayurvedic brand and all their products are good. I have tried quite a lot of their products such as the scrub, Upton, and I quite like them. This is a 70 gram product and is priced at rupees 240. So all the details are mentioned here. The contents are also mentioned behind. Okay, so it's the usual powder form of the mask. I generally like the powder mask because they remain for a longer period and you can actually mix them with water or add honey depending on your skin time. You can also use rose water to mix it up and apply it on your face, let it dry and then rinse it off. So yes, I am happy with this product. Seems to be very nice, and if you can see, the ingredients are not mentioned in their usual name. It is mentioned as their scientific name, so I do not really know what these ingredients are, but it says it is a rare combination of herbs traditionally used to give radiant glow in the skin. It enhances cell regeneration, improving the metabolism and leaves your face looking years younger. So I am interested. I have received this product for the first time in any box and I would definitely want to try this. I really like Vedantika products. The next product that I have received is from one of the most popular brands in subscription boxes, that is the Fuchsia, and it is the Rose and Honey Soap Free Face Wash. It is a 30 ml product, quite a tiny one, and I have tried the different face washes earlier. This is priced at rupees 150 friends. So yes, I am really interested in trying out the soap free face wash. So by now with these two products we have recovered the cost of the box. Then we have received a piece of jewelry which is priced at rupees 85. So you will get some options to choose from. Most of the earrings are in similar type. You could choose one from what is available, and I think this is quite a decent earring, will look nice and sober, and again a daily wear earring. The next product is a makeup product. It is from the brand Hilary Rhoda and it is a matte lipstick, and as you can see it's in a dark pinkish magenta color. The shade number is 14 and this is priced at 190 rupees. So the packaging looks very cute and classy. So this is the shade, friends. It's a nice pink color. Again, this is a color which will suit most of the Indian skin tones. I quite like this color. You can see the tip is a little nudged in the top, but that's all right, does not matter. It's a nice color and it's a matte lipstick, so happy to get this lipstick too. Then I have received another product which is a refreshing facial wipes in the fragrance sandal. This is from the brand Uzana and this is priced at rupees 199. I'm quite surprised, quite an expensive one. I don't know if it really costs this much for face wipe, but if it is, then it's an expensive one. And it says it is used for cleansing, moisturizing, anti-pruritic, deodorizing and soothing. And yeah, the same thing is mentioned here. I can't see the price being mentioned anywhere else, and yes, it is an alcohol free cleanser, so a good one. So no amount of facial wipes are sufficient in this season, so definitely I like getting this. Then I have received one more product which everyone will not get, so this is an additional gift I have received, and this is cute little socks which you can wear. I quite like it. It is nice and very pretty. So practically you're getting 5 products at the price of say around around 400, and the first launch is quite a good box. I think they have attempted to deliver products worth at least twice the cost of what we have paid, but considering the competition, I think they will have to add in something which will bring in more value. And I think they should add at least one other full size product. It's quite a nice launch box, and definitely look forward to seeing the next edition in the coming months. And with that, we come to an end of this unboxing, friends. So if you like this, please go ahead and order yours. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.